It's my pleasure to present this year's Project of the Year. The Project of the Year award recognizes a project implemented by an innovative IT department. This project solved a business problem with strategic objectives and innovation. It overcame obstacles, met goals, and demonstrated collaboration. Congratulations to the City and County of Denver, winner of this year's Project of the Year award for their project, Center of Excellence.
So we have this tagline, is that allow robots to be transactional, allow people to be transformative. About 3 years ago, we recognized that we didn't have enough people, we didn't have enough money, and we needed to retain our people with more value-added work. And one of those things we recognized is automating those manual, redundant tasks. We really needed the Center of Excellence to make those decisions and guide the whole city through this process of automating processes and activities. The first big step we did is when we recognized this was bigger than a one-team activity. We sat down and we thought about what is our vision, what is our mission for this program, what are going to be the guiding principles that allow this to be citywide and be impactful. I've spent 18 years in government trying to do these transformational things, and the Center of Excellence, it's not about the technology and it's not about a specific technology, it's about the activity and the culture change that it's bringing to the entire city, that we can be better, and it's our responsibility to do this. We also gain the ability to extend our services so that equity of services to the citizens now is available 24 hours a day when it's an automated activity. The city has an emergency operations center where they bring together leaders from all across the city to work together to solve major emergency problems. Well, with COVID, obviously that was not an option. So we had to create an environment that was remote and able to accomplish those. We worked tirelessly within the technology department to actually fulfill that goal with the city, but coming out of that, it took 6 to 10 hours and 4 or 5 people to create each emergency operations center that needed to be spun up. We were able to apply automation such that there wasn't any required individuals from the city, and now we're able to spin up that entire operations center in 30 minutes. We're starting to wrap in the different agencies as well, because they all want to communicate to their employees in a different way. And we want to be cognizant that that communication and that cultural shift and that change is one of the most important things we can do. As of the end of last year, we were tracking about $7.5 million of savings from the program so far, and I believe over 5,000 hours of work saved. A few months ago, we got an email back from an individual. It was an email to their team, and it said, "Team, we have implemented the most glorious, impactful, wonderful activity that I've ever seen in my 20 years with the city." And it's those sorts of statements that we hear over and over again that are fun to hear, because that is the realization that we're going to get to go do more impactful work. I think this is something that every government entity will need to implement in the next 5 to 10 years to be able to survive in all of the things that are coming at us.